Imagine you're watching an F1 race live and you sneeze. You took your sweet 2 seconds to open your eyes. That's it. In those 2 seconds, McLaren changed all 4 tires on Lando Norris's car and he was already back on track. You didn't miss a corner. You didn't miss an overtake. You missed a world record. McLaren didn't just change tires that night. They set a world record. They changed all 4 tires in 1.8 seconds. And this happened in Qatar, 2023. This record is still standing. And by the way, bless you.